Inside PlanPlus Online, you can create email templates and do blast emails or drip emails to a list of contacts. And so in the business edition, you have the marketing tab here. And in this video, what I want to explain is the difference between the different types of lists that we provide you with. So there's a lot of functionality available in the list management area. We'll come here under the marketing tab under list management. And you can see I just have one list right now. It's my favorite people, and I've said that I want to use this list for testing my email campaigns, which is suggested if you're going to be sending out email campaigns to create a test list that you can send to. This list here is what we call a static list. So let's go ahead and create a new list, and I can explain the differences in the list styles here. Okay, so a static list is the ability for you to manage and individually add people and remove people from the list manually. And that's what our test list is. Now, a dynamic list is the ability to query your contact database based on some type of search criteria. And what we want to do here is I want to create a new dynamic query for my contacts, and I'm going to call this clients, for example. So here I have the ability to put in my contact search criteria, and we have a classification field which is primarily used to status your contact records of what type of record they are. So I'm going to come in here and say the field value equals, and we'll say customer here. Let that load, and then I'm going to go ahead and create my list. And so anytime a new contact is added to the database and they're classified as a customer, they're going to automatically be added to this list. So you can see here my search results down below. It shows me that I have 62 customers in the database where the contact classification equals customer. Now what I'll do is I'll come back to the marketing summary page here, and now if I go to the list management link, we will see that I now have two lists. A clients list, which is a dynamic list, and my favorite people, which is a static list. And again, a static list, if we click here, this just allows us to add people one at a time and remove them one at a time for testing, or to manually add people to keep a really controlled watch on who's on the list. You see I have 3 people on this list right now. I could add more. The dynamic list, however, really allows us to create a list one time, and then from here on out, anybody that's added to the contacts, and if we classify these contacts as a customer, let's go ahead and just add a new one here. If I classify this person as a customer, they're going to automatically be added to that marketing list.